Now we will discuss accounts payable. Accounts payable are the accounts which are generated against any payable, means when we are purchasing on credit, it's account payable. When we have made a contract and we divide the money like annual rent, these are account payable. And it can be any other entry which we have to pay, that is account payable. Here in this example, account payable are generated in two ways. Either directly, like the rent, we said contract is for 1 year and every year we have to pay X amount, so it will be X into 12, so it will be 12 account payable, it will be 12 entries we have to pass, and basically it will be one account payable which will say we have to pay X into 12 amount and monthly basis. Otherwise, if we are entering sales in the integrated system, purchasing system, we are entering the purchase invoice. So on the one side it will update the stocks, on the other hand the financial side it will create accounts payable, the amount which we have to pay. When we are not using the integrated purchasing system, then in the financial entry side, in the book of accounts, in ledger, we pass one entry. That entry may contain the accounts payable code, party code, and for the reference invoice number and the date. So it will generate a direct entry. It will not, in this case it will not update the stocks. In the integrated system, when it is generated through purchase, it is updating the stocks, but here in the direct system it is updating only the financial value of the stock and the accounts payable only. We will see the example now. Accounts payable, we have entered already some records, and you will see we can generate new one, or we can call the old data. This is the record. This is for 56 real 0.194. This is from one of the customer side. So now we can say that it is done for 56 real for 194, or we can call any other number. We can see that. Now if we want to print it, this is pre-printed stationery, so therefore letterhead which is used, or pre-printed stationery, it will adjust to it. Or in the cases when the pre-printed stationery is not available, or we don't want to use the pre-printed stationery, then we get a plain paper. It will come like this, letterhead and everything will be generated, same entry will be generated. It can be done, and we have seen that this account entry is added into the books of accounts. So because it is not generated through the invoice, it is generated through the financial entry in the books of accounts. It's basically virtually it is a JV, but it is not a JV. It is accounts payable entry. We'll see the effect.